international US experts for Abamonte so ayabeyen hwehwemu efa airplane crash na course no na esim se omobaye no omo astati eyiyi ensemi epia chese enya asemketwa ewo ye my Ghana de enam so ema airplane crash ne ebaye na omo astati ede ensem egu emonte so message say aha ayeho TV like comment na share me videos ne from the murum na yenko tie ensem a jese amonfo bi edito monte so efa airplane crash
experts akesia pa mienu from the United States of America aba bonten aba bekase atorenchem ya ato Ghana for ye di ajojo a chese ye hu ne ye hu no or say the cause of this no is because the pilot was incapacitated. Na yakasa pilot no incapacitated na asye etresen. Na yatwen yadwen akọ the fact say any reduction in medical fitness to a degree or of a nature that is likely to jeopardize flight safety. Send me no what you say. This leaves me to think or ask this question right now. How is it possible? Sa pilot or the Ghana from penifo say etu kwan. Ebeye medically unfit.
For abra accident ni see ye make accident no na make plane crash no abra helicopter na hwe fom na aman nyina Ghana fo eti ye no de esi ye ne se ekuo bi a omo ni Ghana a omo abrochire ye from International Civil Aviation Organization omo ediba ye se ansa na sadie we ebesi no ansa na obi otwi plane no ye pilots enkrofo e ka no ho omu nyina omote helicopter mu a helicopter ne bebo from ansa na accident bi ebesi no na pilot no or ye incapacitated. So what you say incapacitated na ye ka incapacitated e pa che say na pilot no oni in a good health state ebia na oyare ana ebia na o go through psychological things bi what you say entine no na eye ema sadi we esi ye entine no eye dia ICAO and I say in a long way no from International Civil Aviation Organization omo deduction ana adia omo hu ewo nansenya plane crash and I say helicopter ehwiase no
President John Dramani Mahama one who get partisan politics edi akwako wie sa plane crash ya esi ya de suboni na ebebo winning elections our power now started say pam top military generals. Reverend Intimfo Joe Betransi catch say president ya we no you need to stop it. Oba pam top generals, pam squadron leaders, pam pilots, pam penifo what did that army na no emo kofi. And akofa inexperienced ones at the buy. I learned say flying officer and I said pilot or two sub flight no any free Accra or the call boss no your commission no last year November ya according to Ghana Armed Forces no and said pilot ultimately fly for more than 2 years and I said unya more flying hours and sana one person you can fly on your own. But and I said President Mahama upon top generals, upon squadron leaders, upon pilots or more army no. The army is forced to use inexperienced pilots. And I'm not paying for them. So steady avionics kaka. Helicopters issue visibility and this a big aircraft now. Omutumisu other raiders didn't know. And and sana helicopter be moving no. They need to see ahead. It is who say who ahead and say or drop it back from. And this will come more than 13,000 feet. And your mother who anymore ya so share na say baby o won a foggy na ontumi nkọ anymore and so drop it back down. And your one no more area or who say plane na back from no. And your pilot no because ohunanim nti so ba from no ohunanim ena baby a no nam so no oboase area honom no a mountainous area ena esanso forest enti fog no air very thick it is when you experienced pilot one more flying hours. Now, for inexperienced one, he will be forced to calm down or drop it down more. Send a better visibility when you know their movie playing forward. Now, and I'm so inexperienced pilot, or drop it back down, or who from so the ref who say, baby on namno, mountainous and forest. And to my understanding, I think the blade back who echo Bodria and then nose dive ebaya. Timidini ko wura for mo man plane ko hwewa ejato mu no. It is a problem where abena fi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Upa power. Upamo nkofo, pamo directors of war adwumam. Pamo and cry do mako military training, and cry do mako police training, immigration training, mu pamo mu nyina do mu kofie. And I'm partisan party politics. Ayedi ye democracy ye Ghana. It said nurses na ya pam nurses ya form adwuma nyina. Ya kwakofa inexperienced pilots, flying officers. Omuni flight hours. Omuni experience. And omudi search mpanimfo enenam. President Mahama ka to play mu bia. Nyame fa sam ka to play mu bia nkan kwa kwahwere nkwan because of poor decision. We take here. Win elections because of that decision I'll take here. And can do quite from some top military generals now and yet because of one a training way man training or man release your more every army minimum so coffee. So next time His Excellency John Dramani Mahama who take a decision and consulting penny for and take his decision and yes sir and the oyende besaba Ghana view.
Mr. President, if WhatsApp is actually installed on your device, I would advise you to uninstall it because you are being spied upon. WhatsApp is a spyware that they are using to monitor all top government officials, not just the president, but top government officials. So if WhatsApp is really installed on your phone, I would please advise you to uninstall it. Because that is a spyware. They've used Pegasus to destroy many great leaders. If you people don't know much about Pegasus, I would advise you do more research. Pegasus was created by the Israelis. Please, what we are going through and what is happening in this nation, security needs to be put in place. The Russians needs to be called because these people, they don't stop. When they make a first attempt, they move to the second. First, it was the crash. It didn't happen. Second, they're going to move to someone more closer to you. If that doesn't happen, then thirdly, they're going to infiltrate the country using terrorists. This is how they move.